So I'm about to finesse this wig and make it look like a lace front I got normally that costs probably double the price. You can't find any natural butter or wax butter, you can just use a wax stick and that works just as well. And then of course you want to go back in with your hot comb. Your hot comb is your best friend, well really your wig's best friend. So it will help keep this wig on flat and look natural. I am using some Gots to Be sprayed. It's going to help with those flyaways as well, and it helps keep everything in place. And then of course I'm going to go back in with my hot comb. Like I said, that's my best friend, girl. Or shall I say my wig's best friend? I love it. Okay, we're getting this wig super flat and I'm trying to make it look as natural as possible. I am going back in to pluck the hairline some more because, you know, it's still a little bulky for me. It was hard to get it really plucked because there's only so much parting space. Well, so much parting space and of course like the frontal space. But it came out bomb. Now I'm just gonna cut off the lace and I'm gonna show you guys how I do these baby hairs. Start your baby hairs, you just want to pull out a good amount of baby hairs you think you're going to use, and then I kind of just do a little swoop and measure them and see how they're going to look, and then I'll go back in and just cut those baby hairs. And then of course I'm just going to do a little bit of plucking. You just kind of want to play with the baby hairs until they look exactly how you want them. Don't be alarmed if it takes you a few tries, because I always do it first, go back in and pluck, do it again. You know, I just keep on going until it looks completely slayed. And Yeah. It doesn't have to be perfect, but it has to look good. Here we go, sis. Look at that. Look at that flowiness. Silkiness without the shine, yeah. Here's the back. All right, so that's all I have for you. If you guys get this wig, you will not be disappointed. Janet collection always comes through. So I want to thank you guys for watching, and until my next video,